feet up. You only put your feet down when you stop. Yeah, I mean, you can look at the mud, dude. Single track, you want to take it? You got it. Remember to downshift. To the hills. Whoa! Yeah, that's what I was saying. There's some right here. It just takes some getting used to. Look at that. Alright, let's figure out how to get down there. These are easy looking. Good almost everywhere now, dude. You're on a bike. Just make sure you're in first. We're gonna go this way. We're gonna go this way. Why don't you turn on your GoPro? Remember to stay on your back brake here. Keep your foot on top of it. Yo, these are sick! You're good. Just keep it in first, foot on your back brake. You 100% got it. Just slow roll it. If you're in first gear, you won't go super fast. See, look. Just like that. There you go. Feet up. Roll it. Bada boom, bada bang. Yeah, let's take a left. See what's that way. This is super soft. It's actually not as bad as it was the other day. Ooh, it's soft. Gotta go. Oh, would you eat it? Yeah, so the trick is to lean back and just stay in it. You didn't even try. It is high side. There you go. Get up under it. Once you get to there, get up underneath the tank. See, you can. Your body weight is above the bike. That's why you can't pick it up. Try that again. Get it up to where you had it before. Don't strain. Just get it up where you had it. Nope, do it like you did the first time with the bars. So you got it there, right? Now get your knee up under it. And then move another hand lower to the tank. To the tank. And now pull up. Push. Push. See, you're overexerting because you're trying to be way over here. You want to keep moving lower and lower so you can push up on it. No point in getting on it. You're not going to be able to start. I mean, you might be able to.
Can we push it out of the soft sand?
You were in second gear. It's all soft sand. You were in second gear again. I'm coming. Is that the one we went down? No, it's right here. Where are they going? Because I'm about to come down. Where'd you go? Oh, right there. Look at these, dude. That's a good one. Might take a little doing. Alright, let's Let's check the... Oh, Chase, do you know where we are? Do you know what hill that is? I think it's it, right? Or am I wrong? Isn't it that one hill that we stop and look down? No, is your camera on? Well, let's run the bottom this way, then we'll turn around and go back that way. Look at the trial bike trail. He came through there and jumped up over the roots. You see it? And they run up these. And that. That's crazy. Gotta get on it, buddy. Yeah, no way. Don't go this way. Holy crap! Dude, look at the cliffs. It's wild. What? Oh yeah, you're good. This is all the bottom trails. Yep. These are where I was wanting to check out the other day. There's the bottom of the bottom, dude. There you can. Stay in it. Stay in it, lean back. Oh, it's Carter's Corner. You got it? Oh, this is a bad idea. First, there you go, see? You want to climb Carter's Corner? This is an easy one on my side. Let me hit it from the other side. Oh yeah, I think you can do that. Let me see. Yeah. So if you just go right up this way, go to your right. Maybe, I don't know what the end of it looks like. And then just come up right here, straight up to me. Or not. I don't know what the end of that trail looks like. Oh, you got it then. Hey, go towards the hump. You see the hump by your left hand? See if your bars will fit through right there where the branch goes up. I think you're in gear. Stand it back up straight, it's easier. Lean it. Use your body. Use your body weight. There you go. Now look, does the bike fit right there? Press down on the bars to get it under. There you go. Hold on. Hey. No, it ain't. You gotta press down. Watch. I got it. Oh.
Okay.
I guess we can go up in here and turn around. Yeah, these are where I was wanting to play though. Look at all that. Here, go that way.
What is biting me?
I don't know. Put your strap up so it's not flapping.
Those are fire ants.
Go. Get out of my way. want to try a couple of these. I might go up that one, but I need to see what the other side looks like. So when you want to turn a sharp one, put your foot down, lean the bike, and use the throttle. So you're almost standing off of it. That's close. You plant your inside foot, lean the bike, and then just twist the throttle, but you got it. Yeah. Yeah, it's way too soft that way. You want to try this climb? Well, this one. This one's easy. Hey, this one's easy. Look, look. Pretty cool. It's all soft. It's even harder going slow trying to keep up with you. Go down. Hey. You gotta stay in it, dude. This is the softest stuff you'll run into out here, though. Stay in it, stay lean back. If you need to, just walk it. No, you won't. You're in neutral. Woo! At least you're getting that second kick now. You're gonna wear me out. Most of this is hard top. Well, that's why you got to stand up. Pick your feet up unless you need to. Stand up when you need to. This looks like a jump. It's not. Oh, right back into the soft stuff. Yeah, we'll turn around after it straightens up. Remember, lean the bike. Use the throttle. Get solid again around all this. Oh, you made it, dude. We call that arm pump. Dude, there is so many hill climbs. Yeah. I think it's this way. Stand up, push the bike forward with your feet. Stand up over it, crack the throttle, push it. There you go, see? You got it. Yeah, boy, that's what I'm talking about. You could probably put a little bit of air in that front tire, but it helps in the sand. No, so this one kind of turns, I hope at least. You said you want to take a break, though.
Maybe we should just go. I want to get out.
Alright, so it's going to be a sharp left. There you go. Walk it, baby. Yeah, you can. Can't, shouldn't be in your vocabulary. Put your foot down, remember? Lean the bike and then twist the throttle and it'll turn. Oh. Pivot points, dude. How's this one look? Really bad. No, the way I went was the way you need to go. You look like you're set. Oh, you're stuck. One hand on the fender, one hand on the throttle. Crack it a little bit. Pick up just a little. Yes, stop saying can't. I don't want to hear that. Stop. Listen. Stop. Listen to what I'm telling you. Look at me. Focus. You put one hand under, yep, and then the other one's going to be on your throttle. You try to pick. Again, you're not listening at all. First, apply some pressure on the back fender, picking up a little bit. So do it right above where the exhaust is. If you move your hand like the back of the seat, right there's the hardest point. Now pick up a little bit and give it a little bit of throttle. Just a little bit. You're trying to do everything too much. That's what I'm saying. Nice and easy and you'll get it. If you just listen to what I'm telling you, it all works out. Just like your damn mother, man. You are. You don't listen. You guys think you know everything, and then I gotta come to bail you out. No, you were stuck because you buried the ass end. You can either try that hill climb, or we can keep going this way to look for another one, but the only way out's up. Then you gotta turn around again and go that way. Lean the bike. I mean, that works too. While we wait, we hydrate. Buddy, these don't look any better. This is the one. Give her the beans. Takes us right back down. You're gonna have to come up and turn left. Go right and then follow my trail. Look at the ground. You can see where that just went. The big hill. Now get on it and get up the hill. Get on it, stay on it. Crack it all the way. No, it's not. Full throttle. Fall into that rut I just made and you'll be all right. Getting it? That's what I'm talking about, boy. Well, so that's the thing. When you're in the soft sand, it's not so much about balance. It's just trying to keep the bike up. Watch out behind us. I think they got a track going through here. gotta do is find a fence. I want to say it's this way. Take that trail right there in front of you. Take that trail. It's harder. Yeah. Yeah, they've been flying through here all sorts of different ways. Well, let's get up this way where we're seeing. Looks like a little jump right here. Actually, I think we're almost back. No, we're not. I've been here before. I might be going the wrong way. Get it, girl. Got it. Ooh, I think we're on the right track. There's a big one right after it. Yeah, dude, they're flying around here. It's got me scared. Yes, you can. Lean back and roll it. Feet up, lean back. Boom. Told you. I think we're almost there. Oh, there's all the dirt bikes. This looks like a pit of some kind. Think? Go through there. What? You seen this place? Have you ever seen this? Me neither. Oh, okay, no, we're going the right way. It's over here. I know where we're at now. It wasn't so soft, I tried to jump it. But I'm a little pussycat. Get it, girl. Did you? Or are we on the other side of the hill? Oh, you know where we are, Tracy? Suicide Hill. Did you go down? Hold on, turn around. I'm trying to. Where'd you go? I don't see you. Am I coming straight to you or passing you? Oh, there you go. Go check out Suicide Hill. Keep going that way. You just came from. Oh, you can't do that. That's how you gotta do it. Did you rip your jersey? I don't know. Inside your arm? No. Pull your bike up over here. Let's get a good picture. It's not. You pull up right here behind mine. I'm going to go over there and get a picture. Right here, Chasey. So, here. This is what I was saying. So, look. I put that foot up on the bike. I'm holding it. Put that foot on the bike. And then you lean. No. Put all your weight on this foot. Now give it throttle. Give it throttle. Now I'm going to show you how to do it. I got you. Boom, let off. See what I'm saying? All you do, you plant this foot. Look at me.